What is up, YouTube? What I am Darian, also known as the Wave, man. Welcome to the channel, man. Today we are reacting to Kendrick Lamar 6 foot, 7 foot freestyle off the Wayne track. This should be crazy. This should be amazing. The link to the original video will be down below in the description. You want to check it out? You can check that out. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, man, let's react to this craziness, because I know it's about to be crazy.
Said I'm a fucking monster, massive attacker, honcha. Mastered the rap and fucked up the monitors. Master that, after that I went for thermometers. Popped them all and then popped in the jaw. Tracy, Veronica, holla back. They promised us no pajamas and summer. Yo,
flow is crazy, right?
Piranha does hit your block like a comet. And you all know what time it is. 2012, mark your calendars. Calisthenics and silencers, exercising that trigger strap. Rock with us, Metallica. Competition, no talent hum. In the jungle is wild enough. Just might stumble upon a pack of lions. No lion, my soldiers dying. Alliance is lining with stars and bars of a prison rep. My science applying pressure, her stretcher is needed. Pay the proceeds or you live in debt. Your stuff is a gigapet.
Slow down. Barely think. I'm trying to see what you're saying. Lord, he going crazy.
See me unless you watching that TV. Your hoe try hugging my silhouette. My flow got the ceiling wet. I spit till I feel my breath go sink in my fucking chest. She fucking the fucking best. Mean my dick is the dick of death. Mean I'm killing that pussy like Spike whenever that Jerry slept.
Lord, have mercy, Kendrick. When you come out with an album, man? When you coming back, dog? What's up, man? Cole ain't dropped the album, man. What's up? You dropping next? Man, but anyway, that was crazy, amazing, dope, whatever you want to call it, man. I enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it, man. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Peace, love, and happiness. I'll see y'all next time, man. I am out of here.